Gemini versus ChatGPT. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Let's open bard.google.com in your web browser. And in another tab, open chat.openai.com. In Gemini Bard, here are some options in the top right corner like Bard Activity, Help, Extensions, and Settings. The extension for Google Workspace allows Bard to access your Gmail account and Google Drive. There are different extensions like Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Meet, Drive, and much more. From Settings, you can change the theme to light mode or dark mode. It has other options like responding once complete and your public links. Bard extensions can help you bring it all together. You can also click on See Extensions in Action. Gemini AI is an upcoming project by Google, anticipated to be the most powerful AI ever built. It is designed to handle both text and images, enabling unique functions like written evaluations of visual graphs. In Google Flights, you can pull in real-time flight info for intuitive, personalized travel planning. By Google Hotels, you can search hotels based on what is important to you, the same way you would talk to a friend. With Google Maps, you can tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. From Google Workspace, you can summarize, find, and get quick answers from your content to fuel your journey. From YouTube, you can discover and get answers from Bard about YouTube videos. You can click on the new chat from the left AR menu and start a new chat. Google aims to enhance Gemini's code generation capacity, making it a potential powerhouse across various Google products and services. From here, you can pick a suggestion like in Understand, you can debug Python code, know how something works, and a complex topic. In Create, you can do a packing list, text response, and interview questions. And in Explore, you can have the best places to visit, plant care tips, and see the site options. Now let us check ChatGPT. It is developed by OpenAI and utilizes deep learning to generate human-like text based on user prompts. It excels in understanding natural language input, engaging in conversations, and providing contextually relevant responses. In ChatGPT 3.5, you can upgrade your plan to GPT-4 by upgrading to the Plus button. It costs $20 per month and has everything in the free plan plus access to GPT-4, our most capable model. You can browse, create, and use GPTs. In the Plus plan, you can have access to additional tools like DALL-E, browsing, advanced data analysis, and more. From ChatGPT, you can create a workout plan for resistance training, come up with concepts for a retro-style arcade game, can write a thank you note to a guest speaker for any class. By ChatGPT, you can explain why popcorn pops to a kid who loves watching it in the microwave. In terms of training, both models use large amounts of data, but the specifics of their training process may differ. Their capabilities also vary, with Gemini AI expected to be a significant advancement in natural language processing. ChatGPT is used for demonstrating excellence in generating human-like text and handling diverse tasks. If you ask a question in Bard to help you fixing the error, it might not give you an accurate answer. You can also ask to help me fix this error from ChatGPT and get a precise suggestion. It tells you that there is a typo in your code and gives you the correct function to use in code to avoid the error. Moving on to the differences between them. Firstly, the developers. Gemini AI is developed by Google, while ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. ChatGPT will tell you more possible reasons for the error. Now ask another question, then Bard first, and then ChatGPT. Ask that I am a mid-level software engineer to prepare for a technical interview. Please tell me 3 different algorithm questions that are typically asked during coding interviews. In Bard, it will give you answers and also some additional tips for preparing for coding interviews. It will give you the answer that certainly here are 3 algorithm questions that are randomly asked, and also gives you the answers with examples. Now let us ask the same question to ChatGPT. You may encounter variations of these questions, so it is essential to be adaptable in a problem-solving approach. In Bard, you can also view some other drafts. Considering limitations, Gemini may lack support in chat prompts and cannot generate the full code for app prototypes. It might produce more complex descriptions. ChatGPT, on the other hand, can make mistakes, including grammatical, mathematical, factual, and reasoning errors. It may struggle to admit when it doesn't know something and can exhibit biases. Type a prompt in Bard that creates a form with input for a name, location, and password. It will provide you with a basic HTML form. Now ask the same in ChatGPT, and it will give you an HTML form with input fields for name, location, and password. You can use this as a starting point for your web application. Now in Bard, ask which AI model is powering Bard. It will tell you that Bard is powered by Palm 2. Palm 2 is an even more advanced version of its predecessor, Palm, which was unveiled at Google in 2022. Now let us ask 3 types of Google Gemini. It will tell you that Google Gemini is not just one model. It is a family of 3 AI modes. It has 3 modes, which are Gemini Ultra, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Nano. In the end, the choice between Gemini and ChatGPT depends on the specific use case and requirements. Gemini shows promise for powering Google's ecosystem, while ChatGPT is versatile, offering a wide range of applications. Both models are continuously evolving, so their capabilities and limitations may change over time. In conclusion, both Gemini and ChatGPT are impressive AI models pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. If you are interested in trying Gemini and ChatGPT, I recommend checking out the link in the description box. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.